Hey there! Today I have a FABFITFUN unboxing for you. So if you're not familiar with FABFITFUN, it is a seasonal subscription box where you actually have, it's not clothing, it's beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness items. And they're handpicked by the FABFITFUN team, so they're curated. And a lot of these are more luxury items, but each box, it supposedly has a value of over $200. And if you sign up for the seasonal subscription, which is what I do, you just pay $49.99. But anyway, I'll put some information in the description box below, along with my referral link about how the service works. And yeah, so if you're interested, you can check it out. But let's go ahead and see what's in this very colorful summer box. And then here's the inside of the box. The floral continues. It's tropical floral, actually. And they always have a magazine. So for the summer box, we have here Eva Longoria. It's a nice, slick magazine, and it includes all the items that are in the box. And you're able to select certain items from their options. So not everything in the magazine are things that I actually got. They're things that I actually selected. Okay, so the first item in my box is this towel. So this is a beach towel, and I actually selected this. It's the Vicks Paula Hermanny Lotus towel, and it says its retail value is $50. So $50 for this towel. Seems kind of like an expensive towel, right? But anyway, yeah, so this was the first item that I chose, and my other choices were a blow dryer, which was supposedly valued at $60, or a Balm and Brazilian moisturizing shower gel cream, which was valued at $45. But I selected this towel, and let's take a look at it. I just thought, you know, it was kind of different. It's pretty, and it's like shaped like a, I guess like a lotus or something. So it's kind of different, and I'm gonna use this on my couch, I think, over here. And it's nice and soft. It's not too heavy, so it's kind of a good weight. Yeah, I thought it was cute. Okay, I got that. And for my second chosen item, I got this beach bag. And this is the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote Bag, and it was valued at $50. And it's 100% cotton, and it features a rope handle and a snap closure for easy carrying, plus it's big enough to hold your towel and cover up. So yeah, I guess if I wanted to go to the beach, which is totally possible, I live in Hawaii, I haven't gone to the beach for years. Not because since my kids got big. I'm just not a beach person. Okay, and here it is. Oh, this is so cute, isn't it? This is nice. I like this. I like tote bags. So you'll see inside it's totally lined. Here's the lining. It has a little pocket here. It's very handy. And what else? Yeah, it has these rope handles. Yeah, this is nice, very cute, and it does have a snap closure. Okay, yeah, that's very nice. It's a $50 tote bag. Seems pretty high quality. Okay, and then for my next choice, I got a necklace. And you know I love necklaces. And here it is. And this is the Jennifer Zeuner Star Double Necklace, and its retail value of $50. And it says, "Starlight, star bright, there are 1,000,001 ways to style a dainty, timeless necklace like this one." Oh, okay, so this is very dainty. And yeah, I mean, I have a ton of necklaces, but this is cute. I think these kind of layered necklaces are in, but you do have to be very careful with these because they tend to tangle on me. You know, I'll be honest, it's just okay. It doesn't look like a $50 necklace, and it does say that contact with sweat, lotions, and perfumes may tarnish jewelry. When you're not wearing store, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Yeah, so this is, I mean, this is cute. It's very dainty, and it does come in its own little pouch. Okay, and the next item in my box is this, and it's a Eyeko London I Do Liquid Eyeliner, Line and Enhance. It's in black. And I'm not sure why I picked this because I don't really use liquid liner. And I don't use black liner. I typically try to use dark brown because for me, at my age, I think black liner is a little harsh. Yeah, I think I'll gift this to my younger daughter. But yeah, this was valued at $22, and the other options I had were a Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, which was $28, or a mystery item, which was valued at $24. So, but yes, this was what I got. Actually, for my last box, I wasn't even able to choose anything because there's like a short window that you're able to customize your box, and I missed it. I got an email. I don't know why, but by the time I tried to customize though, the short window of when you can customize had passed, and so they just selected everything. And yeah, to be honest, the things that I got were definitely not things I would have chosen for myself. But this time I actually did choose the things, and I'm kind of thinking to myself, why? But it's okay. Anyway, okay, so those were all the chosen items. So there's 5 chosen items, and you also get 4 items that I think everybody gets. So let's go through those. Okay, so the next item, which everybody gets, is this. Okay, and these are the, Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring Original. So this is retail value of $16, and there are 6 of these in here. So, that seems pretty expensive for this, but I'm assuming it's maybe a higher quality that doesn't break down as easily. So you have like 3 clear ones, and then 3 that are beige. Okay, that's useful, I guess. Make a ponytail. Okay, and the next item is this, and it's the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, and this says, packed with Davidson Plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration, and this is retailed at $39. I can always use a brightening clay mask to brighten my skin. So I'm very excited to try this. Okay, next I got this, and this is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray, and this is retail value of $25.95, and it says, craving a midday refresher? Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. Let's try this one. Okay, here we go. And oh look, and here it is. It looks very pink. I love pink. Shall we try it? Here we go. Ooh, that's very refreshing. I think I will. I'm going to take this to work and leave it in my office. So midday I'll spray myself. I like that. Surprising. Okay, and the last item in my box is this Whish Powerfully Effective Naturals Coconut Milk and Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. Smooths and softens, intense hydration. Wow, you know, I went to Japan recently. I went to Hokkaido, and my daughter said, what do you want to do? Because she was planning our trip, and I wanted to go to one of those foot bath things where they have little fish eat all the dead skin off your feet. But we didn't go. But hey, I got this now, so I can exfoliate my feet the natural way. But yeah, this is valued at $32, and it says, get your feet sandal ready. Natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. So yeah, I like this. Okay, so that was everything I got in my FABFITFUN Summer 2019 box, and according to the website here, it says the total value of my box was $314.95. But yeah, so overall a good box, and you know, this is, I think, kind of a fun subscription. It's not like my typical, you know, like I do a lot of the clothing subscriptions, but I think it's kind of like giving yourself a gift. You know, there's a lot of just kind of fun luxury items to like pamper yourself with. And I've actually discovered some items from my previous boxes that I really love. I have a couple of them here I'll show you. One is this Away leave-in conditioner, and you see I've used half of it. So I really love this, and it's only 4.7 ounces. I went onto the website and I did purchase 2 more bottles of this just to be on the safe side so I don't run out. And it was pretty pricey. I think it was like $26 a bottle for this small little thing, but it's amazing. It is. It's the best leave-in conditioner I've ever tried, and it's this OA. Another thing I've been really loving is this Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So I used it on my under eyes today, and I don't have to put any concealer. So yeah, I think this is really good. It depuffs your eyes. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and I will be grabbing one of my 2 furry companions, or 3 now because I have Kitty here. But let's say, Kitty, you got to be in the spotlight last time, so I'm gonna pull up Sammy. Come here, Sammy. And here is Miss Sammy. And boy, doesn't she look like she already needs another haircut. We might have to go schedule something, even though it feels like I just took her. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos and some outfits of the day. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Bye now. Meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Where's my thing? Okay. Oh, I don't know. Where's my thing? Are you sitting on it, Molly? Oh, here it is.